Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps. I'd like to share a look at the layered palm tree 6x6 laser cut 2-piece stencil set. You can layer the perfect palm trees or for tropical or summer projects with this great stencil duo. There are etched lines in the stencil to make it really easy to line up. Trinity Stamp stencils are laser cut from durable mylar, and they hold up very well. In this stencil set is 2 different sizes of palm tree. There are 3 different layers of the palm fronds for you to layer up and get that perfect look of depth. And then on the trunks of the tree, then you have 2 different pieces. Included in your die set are the negative pieces that were cut away from the stencil. This will help you to be able to create a mask for your stencil inked image. So let's have a really quick look at how they perform. I added a piece of paper to block off the left-hand side, but neglected in my haste to block off the right-hand side so that I didn't spread any ink. But you can see that the Trinity Blender Buddy brushes are very narrow at the top and they work down into the stencil perfectly. Now to line up that second of the palm fronds, you just follow the lines along the outside of that image and it lines up perfectly. And you can see here I'm lining that up again and adding more ink, and it intensifies for every layer of ink that you add. Imagine this in all different colors. There are the palm trees, and there's also a bottom arc that is cut away so that you can create a sort of a beach front. Here, I'm just throwing some ink down really fast to show you that it creates like a little island look. Now I'm going to place those negative pieces right back on top and just create a little bit of a halo look around the image that is already stenciled. Using the stencils are perfect for 1-layer cards because they don't add any bulk, or if you want to get the look of a mixed media project, then you can really add all sorts of customized look. There is also a little grass image, and it is also a 2-piece image. You can see here that adding one on top of the other gives a little bit of look of variation, or you can spread them around. Here is a better example where I have used the stencils turned in different directions in order to get the palm trees to kind of lean into one another. And on the beach front, I just added a bunch of sequins, and that was easy enough to give me a waterfront look. Now here, paired with another stamp set, then we have the beautiful palm trees in some gorgeous colors and different shades. And it just is so easy to add to the background of a project. We hope you like the palm tree stencil set.